Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. Dear children, today we are going to discuss the topic estimate the sum. Estimate the sum, this is our last topic in our lesson addition. Okay, see, estimate the sum is nothing but just we have to round off the nearest 10, 100, 1000. Okay, now for example, here see this number 25 is there. How to estimate 25? You have to estimate 25 nearest 10. Now 25 is near to, tell me children, 25 is near to? Yes, tell me anyone. You studied in the last class, right? Now we have to round off this nearest 10. 25 is near to 30. Yes or no? 25 is near to 30. Okay. Now similarly, here I am going to round off nearest 100. For example, 79 is there. Okay, I am going to round off the nearest 100. Now tell me 79 how to round off? 79 is near to 100. Therefore we can write it as 100. Okay, now similarly I will take one more example. 279 is there. How to round off this nearest 100? 279 is near to 300, right? Therefore, we have to round off this as 300. Okay, now similarly children, 220. How to round off? How to round off or estimate? How to estimate 220? 220 is near to 200. Okay, now we have to round off like this. Okay children, now similarly see here I will take few more examples. See, these are all examples. Similarly 575, how to estimate? How to estimate 575? 575 is near to 600. Okay, because I am going to round off nearest 100. Therefore, 575 is near to 600. Similarly, 395. Tell me children how to round off. 395 is estimate. How to estimate? We have to estimate nearest 100. 395 is near to 100. Therefore, we have to round off or we have to estimate 395 as 400. Got it? Okay, now I am going to take few more examples. 997. See children, 997. How to round off? We have to round off this nearest 100. 997 is near to 1000. Therefore, we can write it as 1000. Is it clear, right? Similarly, 1010. Tell me children how to round off. We have to round off nearest 1000 because your unit 10, 100, 1000 is there. 1010. How to round off? Yes, 1010. We have to round off this nearest 1000. Okay, 1010. How to round off this 1000? Or how to estimate this 1000? Is it clear, right? Okay, already you studied this in the previous classes, same thing. Okay, I will take few more examples. See, similarly, 462, then first 782, 916. Okay, similarly 278. See how to round off or how to estimate these examples. See, these are all examples. Okay, see 462. How to round off children? We have to round off or we have to estimate nearest 100. Unit 10, 100. Okay, 462 is near to 500 because it is more than 50. See, 62 is what? More than 50. If it is more than 50, then we have to go nearest 100, that is 500. Okay, similarly Okay, 782. Okay, how to estimate? 782 is near to 800, near to 800, because here 82 is there. Okay, therefore near to 800. Suppose instead of 782, if it is 742, how to round off, children? 742, we have to round off 742 as 700. Okay, because here 42 is there. If it is more than 50, if it is 50 or more than 50, then you have to go through nearest 100. For example, if it is 42 is there, it is less than 50. Therefore, how to estimate or how to round off? 700. Okay, see children, 916, it is less than 50. It is less than 950. Therefore, how to estimate? We have to estimate this as 900. Okay, similarly, 278, it is more than 50. Okay, it is more than 250. Okay, therefore, we have to round off or we have to estimate this as 300. Is it clear? Are you understood? Okay, see children, how to round off? If it is more than 50, then you have to go through the nearest 100. Okay, for example, 462, it is 462, it is more than 450. If it is more than 450, then you have to estimate, find it. If it is less than 450, then you have to estimate 300. Okay, sorry, 400 here. Okay, see 742, it is less than 750. Less than 750 means you have to estimate it as 700. 916, it is less than 950. Therefore, we have to estimate this as 900. Okay, 278, it is less than 250. Therefore, we have to estimate it as, 278, it is more than 250. Therefore, we have to estimate this as 300. Is it clear, right? Any doubts you want to ask? That's it, children. Okay, now this is about the exercise 2D. Okay, here 279 is there. Is it 279? Yes, here 279 is there. 279, how to estimate? 279 is, yes, it is more than 250. Therefore 300. 395, it is more than 350. Therefore, it is 400. This box, this is the correct answer. 400 plus 300 is what? 700. Therefore, you have to write here what? 700. Okay? Is it clear, children? Okay, are you understood right here? Now, actual sum also you have to calculate. See here, I will show you how to solve. The first question is 279 plus 395. Okay, they are given the three options here. What is the first option? 250 plus 300, 300 plus 400, here 200 plus 400. Okay, see they are given. Okay, now we have to find the actual sum also. First of all, 279 is near to, it is more than 250. Therefore, how to estimate? 300. Now, 395, it is more than 350. Therefore, we have to estimate it as nearest 100, that is 400. Therefore, this box is the correct. Also, we have to find the actual sum. How to calculate actual sum? Write this 279 and write this 395. Just you have to add 9 plus 5. Count 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 40. 4 as it is carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 is 17. 7 as it is carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Is our total answer. Okay, children, is it clear, right? How to estimate? Okay, how to estimate is nothing but we have to round off nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. And afterwards we have to find the actual sum. Okay, now this exercise solutions I will send you in your WhatsApp group today, and the worksheet also, the solutions of the worksheet also I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay children, you have to practice it every day. Okay, whatever you are writing, right, whatever the exercises are there, you have to write in your classwork and you have to practice every day, and very important, you have to revise the tables every day. Okay, and next video means next week I am going to start the new lesson, that is subtraction. Worksheet you have to do yourself only. Okay, if you are feeling difficulties, means I am sending the solutions of those questions. Still you are finding difficulties, means you have to come to school. I will teach you how to solve. Okay children, thank you.